until the end of the movie. There are 2 credit scenes, a mid and a post, so that's not spoiling it neither. However, I just feel like a lot of people were dragging this film, and if you're gonna go see these Sony Spider-Man Marvel films now, and it's not, an Andrew Garfield Spider-Man movie or a Tom Holland or even a Tobey Spider-Man movie, and it's not an animated Miles Morales movie, you already should know by now that these films ain't gonna be fire. They're gonna be lackluster. They're not gonna be dope. You gotta know this already. We got to see several forms of Venom as different animals. Like, we didn't need that, but we got it. It is what it is.